My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done just under 46,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen, we can get quick access to smart settings, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, My EV, Eco Data, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have climate control. And the I-Pace also comes with 4 different driving modes. So you have Comfort, Eco, Rain, Ice and Snow, and Dynamic. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, cream interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.